In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you a quick exercise known as 2D stepping. So what we're going to be doing here is we're going to be taking one leg at a time, coming forwards, back to the center, back to the center, to the side, and then back to the center as well. This can be done as a low impact cardiovascular exercise, or alternatively can be done as a rehabilitation exercise after certain injuries. So what we're going to do is we're going to take one foot and come forwards, to the center, back to the center, to the side, to the center, and then that is one repetition. You could decide to do this for reps or seconds, and if you was doing this for cardiovascular benefit, what you can do is you could start to do this faster and start to do lots of repetitions really fast, or try and do as many as you can in an allotted amount of seconds. Of course, if you was going to do this on the left leg, it's exactly the same, feet hip width apart, forwards, back, to the side, and then back to neutral as well. Now, whatever you decide to do, make sure you do exactly the same on one side and then repeat on the other side, and that is how to do 2D stepping.